It's legit 4 a.m. in the morning. 7 बजे के फ्लाइट के लिए मैं लेजिट मुझे 4 बजे उठना पड़ रहा है. क्या बकवास है यार.
Mumbai airport gave me the worst flight experience. Like, I had palpitations, bro. Like, never in my life this I have faced. And I'm sorry to tell you. Legit see me that I'm panting and tired and sweating because of humidity for this. Guess where am I going? Guess where am I going? I have taken a 7-day trip, 7-day leave, you can say, and I'm going to Hyderabad. So today is Sunday and Sunday morning, and guess what? I did not even have my sleep. Yesterday I slept around 11:30, 12ish, and then I was waking up in between. Like every 1 hour I woke up, either to go to washroom, either to go to drink water. And I booked cab only. मुझे लगा कैब आने में मतलब 10-15 मिनट आराम से लगेगा. तुरंत आ गया वो 1 मिनट में. लाइक मैडम कहाँ है आपने तब से इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. And then he's a good guy. He dropped me way early, and oof, I now in flight I'm gonna sleep. Or pehle I'm going to chant Mahadev's name, and then after chanting, and then I'm gonna take rest. But bro, I just need a break. In all the airports till now, wherever I have traveled, they accept the e-ticket, they accept the e-boarding pass in the first entry to the airport. Like तुम जब entry करते हो airport में, as usual, I just had my e-ticket, I had my Aadhaar card, the physical Aadhaar card, and they were like, no, तुम्हें entry नहीं मिल सकती, तुम्हें physical boarding pass लाना पड़ेगा. And I'm like, where is the physical boarding pass वाला counter? Where is that automatic वाला machine? And this lady is struggling. Many people were struggling, bro, because सबके पास e-boarding pass था. They were like, we'll scan it from here and we'll show you Aadhaar card. They were like, no. And then I had to run all the way to the Indigo wala counter, and I had to get this paper wala boarding pass, and then I had to do entry. And by that time, मेरा DG यात्रा हो चुका था, and I took direct entry to DG यात्रा. And then comes the first security clearance, where I just put all of my laptop, everything in separate tray, a suitcase, the mini suitcase in a separate tray. ना mini suitcase बहुत मुश्किल से बंद किया था, ठीक है. ये मेरा मिनी सूटकेस जिसको मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से मैंने बंद किया है. दे वर लाइक जस्ट ओपन इट. में फेस वॉश है या सनस्क्रीन, आई एम लाइक या सनस्क्रीन है. दे आर लाइक रिमूव द सनस्क्रीन एटलीस्ट. आई जस्ट रिमूव द सनस्क्रीन, आई शोड देम. एंड कि I had 7:10 wala flight, bro, and I reached airport at 5:30. I know I had enough time, but I was panicking because I was not having my phone nor my watch to know what is the exact time. My stupidity that I wore heels today because I just didn't want to wear shoes, and I'm wearing peep-toe wali heels, which is very pretty. Like, see, isn't it pretty? My friend bought it from UK. Now I'm not camera conscious. I was very much camera conscious in the cab. I was very much camera conscious in the entry of the airport. I thought of recording that, bro, look, this is what is happening. But again, I was like, just fuck it. And this is so bad because back in Hyderabad or Vadodara airport as well, they just accept the e-ticket or the e-boarding pass. They check the timings of the whatever of the flight. They check your Aadhaar card and they just let you in. ठीक है. उसके बाद तुम काउंटर पे जाते हो, तुम बोर्डिंग पास लेते हो. इसमें सिक्योरिटी की भी कोई गलती नहीं है. द CRPF, द सिक्योरिटी सोर्स, दे वर टेलिंग कि बोर्डिंग पास लेके जाओ, वहाँ पे है, वहाँ से लेके आओ, बिकॉज एंट्री इज नॉट अलाउड. एंड स्टिल पीपल वर ट्राइंग टू स्कैन through their phones and the gate was not open. You guys don't know that you guys are listening to my all the ventings, but this is what is happening. Itna matlab, I don't even give buffer time to my own self, and I feel sorry. And I'm going to Hyderabad. My dad is going to pick me up, and उसके बाद सीधा हम जाने वाले हैं मेरे भाई के एग्जाम सेंटर में. मेरे भाई के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं. एंड व्हाट मी एंड माय डैड वी इनिशियली वी प्लान वाज, हम भाई को पिकअप कर लेंगे और वहाँ से संतोष ढाबा जाएंगे, हैदराबाद वाला फेमस, एंड आई एम गोना हैव मंचूरिया एंड देन विल गो होम. बट नो, माय मॉम वाज लाइक, तू आ रही है ना, सबसे पहले तो घर का खाना खाएगी. एंड आई एम लाइक, ओके, ये भी सही है, ठीक है. तो माय मॉम, आई होप शी मेक समथिंग स्पेशल बिकॉज आई एम कमिंग बेबी आ रही है. एंड मेरा भाई एग्जाम लिख के आ रहा है, so I'm going to be his moral support. Bro, I'm with you. I'm speaking so fast because my brain is working fast. Okay, I'm actually exhausted. I'm just venting out that, bro, this all happened and I don't have anyone beside me. आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी, आग लगा दी. So and at the end, I always share my experiences to you guys, and if my parents get to know that these all happened, they'll be like, you're gone crazy. And now showing you the airport. So this is Cholpusa Airport. There's no comparison to Hyderabad Airport, okay? International Airport is good, Mumbai International Airport. I always travel cut to cut, ठीक है? मैं buffer time नहीं रखती हूँ because I feel it's just waste of time because time is money. पागल.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
So I always travel cut to cut, and in that cut to cut I hardly have 10-15 minutes का buffer time, ठीक है? And in that 10-15 minutes this chaos happens. I just cannot digest because I'm like, bro, you don't know but I'm traveling cut to cut ना. तो ऐसा हो जाता है. This time I'm not taking even one piece of cloth because everything I have it in my home. My mom strictly told me कि एक कपड़ा भी मत लाना, मैं तुम्हारे लिए बहुत सारे कपड़े लिए हैं. And she bought all traditional clothes only. बट ठीक है, मेरी मासी बहुत फास्ट फॉरवर्ड है, मेरे बहुत अच्छे वेस्टर्न कपड़े छोटे छोटे लेके आई है, तो उन सबको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा. उन सबको मैं व्लॉग में लगाऊंगी, दिखाऊंगी दैट ब्रो. सो okay, my mom bought from Delhi. Okay, my plan was to go to Delhi but it got cancelled. So my mom from Delhi, she bought 6 to 7 clothes, and this trip is for a week where I took good solid leave, and I have ample amount of time where I can record, where I can spend time with my friends, blah blah blah. सब बकवास करने वाली हूँ मैं. And you know what? I thought कि कल मेरा ऑफिस खत्म हो रहा है, मैं शाम को ही बुक कर लेती हूँ. And then it didn't click me कि मेरे को ऑफिस से निकलते निकलते 6:30 हो जाता है, मैं 7 o'clock का फ्लाइट कैसे पकड़ूंगी. And then I was like, ठीक है, one thing I can do, I can just book early morning flight at 5. So in my mind, booking 5 o'clock flight in the morning, that means कि मतलब 7 o'clock की flight उड़ेगा, 5 o'clock को मुझे airport आना है. And then I realized कि oh shit, नहीं, 5 o'clock flight उड़ जाएगा, मतलब मुझे 2-3 बजे airport में रहना है. That means I have to start minimum by 2 o'clock and have to wake up by 1. That means I'm not going to sleep. And then it took time for me to click, and then I was like, shit. Now I'm taking a moment to calm myself down. I don't have water bottle to drink water. I don't see anything eatable here. Ideally होते हैं यहाँ पे हल्दीराम्स का, मैं सुबह मीठा नहीं खा रही. I am on a sugar cut diet. Chalo, now I'll just shut my camera for a moment and I'm going to chant Mahadev's name for some time. And then once gates are open, the hero sisters are really pretty. Okay, so once gates are open, I'm going. हो गया, चलो. I'm coming back to Hyderabad after months now. I thought of sitting in Cafe Nilofer, but Cafe Nilofer अभी मैं जाऊंगी. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hyderabad feels home. कितनी कम गर्मी है यहाँ पे. I'm not being sarcastic at all. Dad has come in Rolls Royce to pick me. Hyderabad is always love. It's zero humidity, just very good. स्वाद अनुसार धूप और बहुत अच्छा. Nice. White's log.
ನಾನು 8:40 ಅದು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ನೀ ಬ್ಯಾಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀ 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ
8:50 ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, 8:30ಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಟ.
ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ.
ಎಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ roads. It was a long ride and I had to drive my own car, and now I'm going to open my suitcase. There's a lot of eatables I have to open. I have to eat, and then let me just come back. Bye.